hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone! Today let's learn how to make an easy DIY umbrella for Ganesh Chaturthi. So let's get started. Firstly, take a cardstock paper and cut about 5 into 30 centimeters in length. Now staple both the ends of the cardstock together. Take a decorative sheet and staple one end of it to the paper base. Now take a stick and along with the stick, tightly tie a knot on the other end of the decorative paper using the silk thread. You can also use a rubber band over here. I used hot glue gun to secure the stick and the knot tightly. Lastly, I added a decorative tape to cover the thread. You can further decorate this using kundan stones and many more things. And that's it. Your DIY umbrella for Ganesh Chaturthi is done. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you already didn't. And do watch my other videos as well. And until then, happy crafting! And I wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi.